Does this look familiar? At least I'm having a little bit more success this time pairing this stuff. We'll be flying this week. We be flying. Well, I got my DJI Mini 3 Pro. I have out west, I have the Air 2S, which is a bigger drone. It's about 700 grams. This one is 249, so if you bought this Mini, you don't need the certification to fly it. If you put the extended life battery in it, which lets it run up to about 46 minutes, it puts the drone at 280 grams. And it tells you that as soon as you put the battery in. So then you're over the 250 and you're supposed to have the certification. Anyway, it doesn't affect me. But I was not going to see my Air 2S until next early summer. So you really start to forget your skills. And there's a lot of stuff that I want to do this winter. So I looked at the Mini, and the Mini has been upgraded. You know, like last year they were around $500, but this Mini 3 Pro is very compatible with the Air 2S, and it's just lighter, and I've got some more refined things that I want to do with it. So I won't be sending this one out probably over the water, because you have to really watch with these Minis. You should fly with into the wind, so when you start to run out of battery, the wind is behind you pushing you home. You've got to be much more cognizant of the wind and not range and all that stuff, because it's got it, but it's just that you're flying a 250 gram drone aircraft instead of a 700 or 800 gram, which is a big difference. So anyway, I have some other ideas for it that I want to do. And I think it's going to be a little exciting. So I'm going to be posting a whack of stuff. Or just getting my skills back. But I got it all paired, got everything going. So I'm happy. And I'm going to start as soon as I can.